Hey guys, this is Bharadwaj with Fonearena.com, and what we have here today is an interesting device, the Xiaomi Mi Smart Plug. So what is this device and why is Xiaomi making it? So let's tackle the second question first. Why is Xiaomi making it? So Xiaomi wants to be a first mover in the Internet of Things movement. So it has a category of devices under the moniker of smart home. They have smart home products which people would want to use because it is connected to the internet and it is in the Mi ecosystem of things. So the Internet of Things movement is right now not standards based. So Xiaomi is doing what it can by making devices that enable normal things to be connected to the internet. In this case, the smart plug does just that. How and what it is all about is what we'll be seeing in this video. So let's go ahead in the unboxing and a first look at the Xiaomi Mi Smart Plug. So let's open this up. Should be pretty straightforward here. So this is a smart plug and it has support for the two kinds of pins that we all use. So this is the US and China plug, and the 2-pin is for the European plug, which you can directly use. And of course there is a USB port here. USB port, and there is also a button, and of course this is the plug that we need to use. So this basically converts a single socket so that it can connect to the internet, and what it does is basically connect this device to the router and then to the Mi server, which this device will be always in contact with. So you can from any other device contact the Mi server and trigger this. That's the long path that we are taking, and this enables remote trigger. So basically from anywhere in the world you can trigger this socket that is somewhere in your home that's going to do something. So basically you can enable anything that can instantly power on, so which can be triggered from anywhere in the world. That's what the smart plug does. So you saw the construction here. This is typically Xiaomi, and it's very inspired from Apple, of course. So let's open this up and let's show you a quick demo of what we can do with this. So before the demo, let's take a quick look at the specifications here. Maximum this plug can stand about 10 amps. So if the device requires more than 10 amps, the smart plug will obviously not support it, and you cannot use this to trigger very heavy devices because most of them require more than 10 amps. So let's take the power socket here, which is already connected to the power source below. Let's plug this in. So I'm plugging this in here. Let me go a bit closer. So there you go. That's the plug. And you can see this is the first setup, so it is blinking in orange. So it's not been connected before. If it has been connected before, it will glow in blue, which I will show you in a bit. So what I'm going to do is open up the Mi Smart app. So there you go, that's the plug, and you can see immediately that it's glowing in orange. That's the device waiting to get paired to the phone or whatever. So what I'm gonna do now is take the phone and use the Mi Home app that I've installed. So I'm using the Galaxy S6 Edge, and it already has scanned for a new device and it prompts to connect to that device. So it says that discovered one smart devices, Mi Smart Plug 500D. Click Quick Connect to view device. So I'm gonna hit OK, and it's gonna do just that. So now it's asking me to connect to the Wi-Fi network so that it can route the smart plug to the internet. So I'm gonna do just that and get back to you. So now it's trying to connect to the cloud service. There will be a tick now, and there is also the connection that's going on between the Mi Smart Plug and the Mi Smart Home client. So basically it has connected to the smart plug already, and once you click completed, you will be able to control the smart plug from your phone. So this happens from anywhere in the world because this is going to be connected to the internet, and that's why you see a red spot here, and also that's why it is glowing in blue. So now it's connected to the internet. What can you do with it? So we thought of some use cases, and most of the times you are going to get ready for a travel or something and you want to charge your battery pack but you're not at home. So take that use case and let's do just that. Connect the battery pack here. This is a Xiaomi 10400 mAh battery pack and I'm going to connect it to the smart plug here. So I'm connecting it. So this button is actually the power button. If you want to turn the smart plug off, you can, and if you want to turn it on, you can. So if you want it not to be connected to the internet, if someone's playing with your plug, then obviously you can directly override and disconnect the smart plug from the internet. So now it's connected, and if you want to pair it with a different phone again, you just have to press and hold the button. So that said, now this is connected with the USB and now this is getting charged. So that's the Mi smart plug charging the device. But what about remote trigger? That's what the app is for. So now the red thing, that is the connected Mi smart plug. This is a translated app that I downloaded from the internet. So Xiaomi releases these English translated apps now and then in its forums, and people just translate it for them. So the blue color indicates that it is connected. Now I can completely switch it off. There are two different triggers for the USB as well as the plug here. So now I'm going to disconnect the USB. You can see that the device also will get disconnected. So now I just turn it off and you can see that the charging has stopped. Now I'll turn it on again and you can see that the charging has started again. So with respect to the plug, you can connect different things, of course. So if I switch the plug alone off, the USB still stays on and you can see that the light on the smart plug is off. So basically the socket turns off separately from the USB. So pretty useful, and if you want to trigger something that requires continuous power from your home, you can use this plug, which is very cheaply available on various Chinese websites. So if you want to import it, you can, and start using it to make your own smart home solution. So for example, if you just want to turn the AC on, which some air conditioners are continuous on enabled, so if you want to use that, you can connect it, but not sure about the ampere values there. But anyway, you can see what the uses are here, and there is also a smart plug board that Xiaomi is selling, and there will be more devices like these from Xiaomi soon, and obviously we'll be taking a look at them. So what do you think about this device? Let us know in the comment section below, and also hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.